How do you teach a golden retriever to come when called? Having a well-behaved dog is the dream of every dog owner. One of the most important commands you can teach your dog is to come when called. This command is not only essential for their safety but also for your peace of mind. In this video, we will discuss how you can teach a golden retriever to come when called. 1. Start with basic training. Before you can teach your golden retriever to come when called, it is important to establish a strong foundation of basic training. Begin with commands such as sit, stay, and lie down. These commands will help you control your dog's behavior and set the stage for teaching them to come when called. 2. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a crucial aspect of training any dog, including golden retrievers. This involves rewarding your dog for good behavior. When teaching them to come when called, use treats, praise, and affection as rewards. Start by rewarding them every time they come to you when called, and gradually reduce the frequency of treats as they become more consistent with the command. 3. Practice in a controlled environment. To effectively teach your golden retriever to come when called, it is important to practice in a controlled environment. Start in a place with minimal distractions, such as a quiet room or fenced yard. Call your dog's name followed by the command come in a positive and enthusiastic tone. Make sure to use their name as it grabs their attention and makes them more attentive to the command. 4. Use a long leash. Using a long leash during training can help you maintain control over your golden retriever while they are learning to come when called. Attach a long leash to their collar and let them explore the area while keeping a close eye on them. When you are ready to practice the command, gently reel them in using the leash while calling their name and the command come. Repeat this process several times during each training session. 5. Gradually increase distractions. After your golden retriever has become comfortable with coming when called in a controlled environment, it is time to gradually introduce distractions. Start by practicing in an area with mild distractions, such as a park with a few people or other dogs around. As they become more reliable with the command, increase the level of distractions slowly. This will help them generalize the command and understand that they should come when called, regardless of their surroundings. 6. Do not punish or chase them. It is important to avoid punishing or chasing your golden retriever if they do not come when called. This can create a negative association with the command and make them less willing to obey in the future. Instead, use positive reinforcement and reward them when they do come when called. If they do not respond, try to make the command more enticing or evaluate your training techniques to determine if any adjustments need to be made. 7. Be consistent. Consistency is key when teaching your golden retriever to come when called. Use the same command and tone of voice every time you call them. Make sure everyone in the household follows the same training methods to avoid confusion. Additionally, practice the command regularly to reinforce the behavior and maintain their responsiveness. In conclusion, teaching a golden retriever to come when called requires patience and consistency. By starting with basic training, using positive reinforcement, practicing in a controlled environment, and gradually increasing distractions, you can train your dog to come whenever you call them. Remember to avoid punishment and be consistent in your training methods. With time and dedication, your golden retriever will become reliable in obeying the come command, ensuring their safety and providing you with peace of mind.